The gelatin trick is one of those trends that looks almost too simple at first glance, yet continues to gain attention in 2026. Unlike complicated plans or strict rules, this method focuses on a short ritual done before meals. The basic idea is mixing a small amount of unflavored gelatin into warm water and drinking it about 10 to 20 minutes before eating. Many people say this creates a sense of structure before meals and helps them approach food with more awareness. Health discussions often describe this as a satiety-focused habit. Gelatin is a protein that changes texture when hydrated, and some users feel that this gentle thickness helps them feel satisfied sooner. It's important to note that the gelatin trick is not described as a cure or a fast solution. Most conversations frame it as a supportive habit that fits into a balanced routine rather than replacing meals or professional advice. If this method caught your attention and you want to explore it in more detail, there's a link in the first comment where you can learn more about how it's commonly used.